This is what I'm doing today. We are making samosas, and I'm using these kinds of paper. They come from Indian store, and that's what I'm using. I'm using peas and leftover rice. Yep. Okay, today is me in the kitchen making samosas. Yep, let's go. There we go. We are using peas with carrots and maybe some rice later. And this turned out pretty good. Look at that. Oh yeah. I'm back, baby. I'm back in the kitchen. Yep. I'm gonna turn them one by one. I made bigger ones today. I think the bigger the better, right? Right. I'm a big fan of samosas, so yes, the bigger the better. The green peas look real light here. They taste good too. I boil them and then strain them, and then I add my fresh onions and then I spice them up. I don't cook the onions because I like them to bring the aroma of what I'm making, which is samosas, fresh from Sue's kitchen. Fresh out here. This is some diverse cuisine. As you can see, it's probably originated from Asia, India specifically. But we grew up eating these and they're amazingly tasty, delicious. Whatever you put inside turns out great. And I thought we could use some samosas today. Ooh, this keeps moving. Don't move. Don't move a muscle. You can tell I'm a big fan of Jingo. Jingo is actually my brother too. Dengue never stops, right? Right. We are brothers and sisters, apparently. Ndowooza teziyidde, ndowooza kiri mulaala. Chiwedde, chiwedde. Ate waliwo okusinga kaawo. Chiwedde kyo. Mundabire jingo bannaye kabulaza. Omunene jingo. Tubeera bangeye olwo nga tutabadde tutandise okufuuka abooluganda. Tutandika butandise oba tuli ba Luganda. Alright, Oluganda terukoma. Kujjamu kamu one by one makes a bundle. One by one makes a bundle. Let's go. They're lightly cooked. I think that's a better look. Golden light brown is what we are going for. Now those are ready to be eaten. To all the picky eaters, this is a good snack, good thing to eat. It's definitely delicious. I just like how they turned out, and they didn't dirty my oil, so that's a plus. Voila. That's about it for now. Look at that. We'll let them lose the oil and then probably put them on another towel. I still have more to do, so I'll start again. I know it's subtle, but that's fine because we don't need too much heat. We need it to be relatively low. Okay, I ran out of paper, so I'm making rice balls just to finish my rice balls and samosas. Sounds like a good mess, but it will be fine. Turn them slowly by slowly. Slowly but slowly. I turn them around slowly by slowly. I don't know what's gonna happen to my rice balls. I hope they turn out fine. Because you can't put them with samosas, but somehow I did.